Hi children, let us learn about human body, that is about our body. We have already learned about the parts of our body, is it? What we have learned? You learned that our body has many parts and each part of our body has a name. Each part of our body is different and are useful, is it? So each part of our body has a name like eyes, ears, hands, legs, and each part of our body is different. They are different shape. Eyes are like on our face, hands we are long, and they are all are useful to us. All the parts of our body are useful, is it? So the part of our body is, we can also call it as organ of our body. Okay children, so let us recall our previous knowledge by identifying the parts of the body of this boy. A, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, neck, shoulder, hands, fingers, elbow, stomach, legs, foot, toes, knees. You can also try the, the labeling of the body parts. Take the help of the names in this box. Okay, children? Human body is made of hundreds of different parts or organs. Each part of our body does a special work. So, what is this external and internal organs? Means external parts and internal parts. Nothing but the parts which we can see from outside are called as external organs. The parts which we cannot see from outside are called internal organs. So what are the external organs? For example, like eyes, nose, ears, hands and legs. Coming to internal organs, we cannot see them like heart, lungs, brain, stomach. All those parts of our body are inside our body and we cannot see them. So the parts which we cannot see and found inside our body are called as internal organs. We know the functions of the external organs like eyes, we can see, nose helps us to smell, ears, we can hear with the help of ears, hands help to hold a object, legs help to play and run or walk, is it? Now let us learn about the functions of some important internal organs like brain. This is the picture of the brain, you can see the red color one, heart. Yeah. Here you can see the picture of the heart, how it is. Lungs. Lungs, they are a pair of lungs in our body. Means two lungs are present in our body, right lung and left lung. Stomach. It is the stomach where whatever we eat, it enters into our stomach. Is it? Now let us read about the functions of each and every internal organ. First, brain. Brain controls all the organs of the body. So our parts of the body are under the control of brain. Brain helps us to think, learn, remember, and brain is present inside our head. Heart. Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. It beats about 72 times every minute. That means heartbeat is 72 times per a minute. Where is heart located? Our heart is on the left side of the chest. Okay, this is the heart, how it will be in our body. Lungs. So lungs are inside the chest. There are two lungs in our body. They help us to breathe. When we breathe in air, our lungs expand. When we breathe out air, our lungs contract. Here you can see the picture of the lungs, is it? Right lung and left lung. Coming to the stomach. This is the stomach picture. It helps to digest the food. Food we eat goes into the stomach and it helps to digest the food. By digesting the food, the nutrients of the food will be given to the all the parts of the body. Now let us do some small exercise here. Choose the correct answer from the given option. So here options are given. You can choose the answer, correct answer from that. Okay, first one. Dash controls other organs of our body. That is brain or heart? Brain. Brain controls other organs of our body. Our stomach dash the food we eat, digest or pumps. What the function of the stomach? Our stomach digests the food we eat. Body parts which are outside and which we are able to see are called dash organs. Which are outside. So, what is the answer? Body parts which are outside and which we are able to see are called external organs. The dash pumps blood to all parts of our body. Brain or heart? The heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. Lungs help us to think or breathe. Lungs help us to breathe. Okay, children? Now, let us learn about 5 important organs of our body. Those are called as sense organs. Means these organs will give us power. Sense means power. These 5 organs gives us power to learn about our surroundings. Okay, there are 5 sense organs. They help us to learn about our surroundings. Like eyes, which help us to see whatever things are there in our surrounding. Nose helps us to have the smell of the things which are in our surrounding. It may be good or bad, maybe fragrance or dirty smell. Ears help us to hear everything, whatever the sound we are getting from our surrounding. Next, tongue, it helps us to taste whether it is sugar, sweet or bitter or sour, any taste we can have with the help of tongue. Coming to the skin, it helps us to feel the touch of every object in our surroundings. So these are the 5 sense organs we are having. So each and every organ of our body is helpful to us, is it? They are working together to keep us healthy. So what we have to do to keep the organs of the body healthy? So to stay healthy, we need to have fresh air, drink plenty of clean water, eat healthy food, perform exercise daily, even you have to take rest. So taking rest is also important to stay healthy. So to stay healthy, what we have to do? We have to have the fresh air and we have to drink plenty of clean water, at least 2 liters per day, and always eat healthy food. Don't go for the junk food like pizzas, burgers and all. Even now and then for occasionally you can have that, but every day we must eat only healthy food and perform exercise daily. Daily we have to do exercise to keep our body healthy and fit. And also we must take rest properly. So what we have to do to take rest properly? We have to go to bed in time and get up early in the morning. That is the way how we can give rest to our parts of the body. Okay, is to keep our body healthy. Okay, children, did you understood every point what I told you? Okay, thank you.